It's time to compare action cameras. In this video, we're going to compare DJI's Osmo Action 4 and GoPro's Hero 12. Now, both of these action cameras come with really great features and are really top of the line for action cameras that are out there right now. So it may be hard to decide which one is best for you. Now, to help you make your decision on which action camera is best for you, I'm going to cover 4 areas that were important to me. Image capabilities, user experience, the audio capabilities, and pricing. Now, to the casual user, the imaging capabilities of these two cameras may not seem too significant. In fact, I think you would be hard-pressed to know which image was coming from which camera without me having told you. That said, there are some things that distinguish each camera from the other. For the Action 4, its distinguishing feature is really its imaging sensor. It has a 1/1.3 inch imaging sensor, while the GoPro Hero 12 has a 1/1.9 imaging sensor, so slightly smaller. Because of that, the DJI Osmo Action 4 will be better in lower light conditions. Now, the distinguishing feature of the GoPro Hero 12 really is its higher resolution. The GoPro Hero 12 has the ability to go up to 5.3K. And at that 5.3K, it can run at 60 frames per second. So about half speed if you want to use it that way. It also has 4K capabilities at 120 frames per second, and 2.7K you can run it at 240 frames per second. Whereas with the DJI Osmo Action 4, it only goes up to 4K video capabilities, and at that 4K you can run it at 120 frames per second, or you can run 2.7K at 120 frames per second also, or at a 1080p resolution you can run that 240 frames per second. So if you're looking for higher resolution, especially at those slow motion type modes, the GoPro Hero 12 may be your better option. Now, when it comes to mountain biking with these action cameras, both cameras really have cutting-edge image stabilization features. Okay, before I go through the 3 image stabilization modes, I want to warn you that with the image stabilizations off, it gets really bumpy, but it shows you just how good these cameras are at stabilizing the image, because it's pretty crazy with it off. So let's get to it. This is with image stabilization turned off on both cameras. This is with rock steady on the Action 4 and hyper smooth on the GoPro Hero 12. And this is with Rock Steady Plus on the Action 4 and Auto Boost on the GoPro Hero 12. As you can see, both of them have really good image stabilization and are able to really stabilize this crazy image. It might even be a little worse with my setup right now because I have the weight of both cameras bouncing around on the front of my harness. You tell me which one's better. Now, when it comes to user experience, both cameras are fairly easy to use. They come with very intuitive menus that help you select the modes. They also have apps that allow you to download and edit your videos and photos. And they both work great with most of your action camera accessories that people have out there. Now, the Osmo Action 4 puts itself in kind of a different category because of the magnetic quick release. The magnetic quick release makes it really easy to switch mounts from one thing to another. Now, for the GoPro Hero 12, you have the traditional fold-out GoPro mount that you see with most action cameras, and this is really not as simple as the magnetic quick release. Now, there are options out there to make this transitioning from one accessory to another a little more simple, but in this arena, the Action 4 really excels, especially if you add in the external cage, which I really like to use because it allows me then to not just mount in that horizontal mode, traditional horizontal mode. I can easily switch to like an analog vertical mode by just switching the camera. Whereas with the Hero 12, if I want to go into a vertical mode, I have to actually select that aspect ratio, and then what it ends up doing, it crops that 8:7 image sensor on the sides and turns it into a vertical mode rather than cropping the top to make that horizontal. So both have that capability, but I really like the easy, quick switch that comes with the magnetic quick release on the DJI Osmo Action, instead of me getting into the menu to switch between a vertical and horizontal mode. Now, both these cameras have really good internal microphones that pick up the audio really well when you're nice and close. They both have the capability, though, of connecting to external devices in two ways, either through the USB-C with adapters on the outside, or you can also do it on the GoPro Hero 12. You can connect Bluetooth earbuds to the camera, and on the DJI Osmo Action 4, you can actually connect what I've been using for a good chunk of the vlogging on this is the DJI Mic 2, which connects seamlessly without any adapters to the DJI Osmo Action 4, which is pretty cool itself. I've tried to connect this mic, the DJI Mic 2, to the GoPro. It connects and then disconnects. It doesn't stay connected. It seems to be a software issue. I've seen online that other folks have had a similar issue, so that's not something I'm able to test now. Maybe that's something that'll change in the future, but we'll see. In any case, let's check the different audio modes first with the internal mics, and then with the Bluetooth headphones for the GoPro and the Mic 2 with the DJI Osmo Action 4. Now, this is the internal audio coming from the GoPro Hero 12. And this is the audio coming from the DJI Osmo Action 4. Now, this is the internal audio coming from the GoPro Hero 12. And this is the internal audio coming from the DJI Osmo Action 4. This is the audio coming from my earbuds to the GoPro Hero 12. And this is the audio to the Action 4 using DJI's Mic 2. This is the audio coming from my earbuds to the GoPro Hero 12. And this is the audio going to my DJI Osmo Action 4 with the DJI Mic 2. Here's the audio on the Action 4. Here's the audio on the Hero 12. Here's the audio on the Action 4. And here's the audio on the Hero 12. Here is the audio on the GoPro using earbuds. And the audio on the Osmo Action 4 using the Mic 2. Here's the audio using the earbuds on the GoPro. And the mic 2 on the Osmo Action 4. Now, pricing. As of May 2024, the current pricing on their websites for these two cameras are as follows. For the GoPro Hero 12, the basic package, which comes with a camera, one battery, and a mount, is going for $349.99 on the GoPro website. If you go for the accessory bundle for $399.99, you also get a handle, one additional battery, a head strap, and a carrying case. For the DJI Osmo Action 4, the standard combo with a camera, case, one battery, and a mount is going for $299 on the DJI website. If you go for the adventure combo for $399, you also get a selfie stick, two more additional batteries, a portable charging case, and another magnetic quick mount. So thanks for following along with me in this video. It's a little different than what I normally do. Let me know what you guys think, which camera you prefer, or whether you've tried either of these. Let me know what you think. I think they're both really good cameras, very capable, really easy to use, and really have a lot of great features. So as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Look for opportunities to give those old things new life. Check out some of my videos giving some of those old things new life. Get out and ride your bike, and I'll see you on the next video. Ciao. Woohoo!